Cars pour into Oakland, California's sports arena parking lot this week. Not for a baseball game, but for COVID-19 vaccinations. The Oakland location and another in Los Angeles are the first mass vaccination sites in the nation to be supplied and staffed by the U.S. federal government as part of President Biden's 100 Sites in 100 Days initiative.
Our goal is to vaccinate up to 6,000 per day. We have over 600 employees who are working at this location, and they're working 7 days a week, 10 hours a day to be able to reach as many people as possible.
The Federal Emergency Management Agency, also known as FEMA, is overseeing operations at the new sites in partnership with a wide array of state and local agencies and the military. The sites were erected in little over a week, signaling a new urgency in the U.S. response to the disease. The Trump administration, which pushed hard to approve vaccines for emergency use, had acknowledged struggles with vaccine supply and distribution, which has been handled by states. Biden has sought more central coordination and federal involvement.
We've now purchased enough vaccine supply to vaccinate all Americans. And now we're working to get those vaccines into the arms of millions of people.
California, the most populous state, also has the most COVID-19 deaths. It has struggled to maintain a steady supply of vaccines. Last week, a number of inoculation sites were forced to temporarily close because of vaccine shortages. Officials explained that the new FEMA sites are not competing with states, but adding a new source of doses.
Given the challenges and the demand for supply that exists, everywhere in all the communities, that we're additive to that and not taking away.
Okay, let me see if we have any.
Both California locations were chosen for their proximity to the African American and Latino communities most impacted by the disease. The initiative will also be reaching directly into these communities.
This is our mobile emergency response support units that can go into the communities hardest hit to be able to get vaccine to those who cannot get here.
Similar mass sites are planned to open in Texas and New York in coming weeks. Matt Dibble for VOA News, Oakland, California.